Transforming complexity into clarity, S&S Tooling is committed to precision for 18 years, pioneering into product design, analysis, CAD, CAM, tool development and processing techniques. S&S Tooling provides high-end precision tooling solutions. As industry demands are evolving, we recognize the need for a more advanced and cohesive approach.
S&S Tooling is a company we started in 2005. We started with one VMC machine as a service provider, machine shop. Now later on we moved on to manufacturing. Since very beginning I have been using Cimatron, so as such I didn't face any issue when it comes to software side, because Cimatron being a very user-friendly and technically very strong software for toolroom purposes. Mold design and even CAM, electrode extraction, all these parts are well supported in Cimatron. So we didn't really as such face any issue.
With strategic partnerships and technical knowledge, we could smartly pave a way through the challenges.
मी इथं काम करताना पहिला ट्रेनिंग म्हणून आलो होतो. तेव्हा मला सिमट्रॉनची आवड झाली की त्याच्यामध्ये ऑप्शन्स काय थोडे सोपे आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे मला थोडंसं सिमट्रॉन समजायला लागलं. त्याच्यामुळे मी थोडंसं प्रोग्रामिंगमध्ये इंटरेस्ट घेतला. बरेच सिमट्रॉनमध्ये काय सोपं ऑप्शन्स येतं, म्हणजे करायला इझी जाईल. म्हणजे कसं पाहिजे आपल्याला, टाइम सेव्हिंग कसं करायचं, डिझाईन कसं करायचं.
We are associated with the S&S Tooling for more than 10 years. Over that decade, we helped to support their tool group by providing Cimatron's end-to-end solution for rubber and plastics and for CNC programming.
In association with Cimatron, we can reduce the process time, resulting into increased productivity with accuracy.
S&S Tooling is using Cimatron from last 15 years, and they are using our mold design solution, electro design solution, Cimatron CAM 3-axis and Cimatron Viewer. Cimatron is very greatly helping them for the mold design and for the manufacturing, and they wish to add more licenses.
I'm happy to be here with our customer S&S Tooling, who are using Cimatron Mold, Cimatron CAM 3X and Cimatron Viewer, our core products. We got to know that they have a problem in integrating their design and manufacturing processes together. With Cimatron Mold and Cimatron CAM 3X, we could connect the mold design and mold manufacturing processes together. So if any change happens in the mold design, the seamlessly transferred on the machining side with Cimatron CAM 3X. So at Cimatron, we promote end-to-end integrated CAD/CAM solution for mold and die industry.
With the right technology partnership, we continue to set higher benchmarks in tooling excellence, delivering results that are faster, more accurate, and future-ready.